If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. These can consume bandwidth and processing power, which may contribute to lag during gameplay. Step 3. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings in EAFC 25 to reduce the strain on your system. This can help improve performance and decrease lag. Look for options like resolution, texture quality, and frame rate and adjust them to a more manageable level. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics card drivers and any relevant software are up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that can enhance performance and fix bugs that may cause lag. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Consider optimizing your network settings by enabling quality of service QoS on your router, which prioritizes gaming traffic. Additionally, you can change your DNS settings to a faster server, which may help reduce lag. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with reduced lag spikes. Enjoy your time playing EAFC 25.